Hello sa mga lima! At ito na naman tayo. Ito naman tayong bike na na-bike check from BIkeman. Try tayong mag-bike shop visit ulit dun sa ating mas malinaw na camera. Magpaparamag tayo. Kasi huling visit natin dun, naka-cellphone cam pa tayo. Ngayon, try natin magpaalam ulit para mas maganda yung ating view sa kanilang bike shop. But this time, nag-check lang tayo ng bike na the brand of the bike is Pinewood Raptor 2.0. So, ano pa? Check natin ang kanyang frame. So, for its frame, it has a glossy finish na blue and black combination with triple butted alloy 6061. Wow! So, ang kinis niya, yun nga, kasi nga naka glossy finish na glossy blue ang kanyang frame. Pinewood Raptor 2.0. So, meron ang finishing niya. Ayan, so meron tayong 15.5 na size na 29er kay BIkeman. So meron tayong lahat pahid dyan, mula sa lahat ng part ng frame na seats, the down the seat stay at saka sa nalimutan ko na. At yung kanyang, yung tire clearance. So let's check natin mamaya yung kung ano yung size ng tire na ginamit sa kanya para makapag kayo sa mga mahilig mag upgrade ng tires for wider clearance. At yung kanyang internal cabling na part ng kanyang frame. Okay? So nasa na tayo? Next would be its fork. For its fork is an air suspension na 100mm of travel. Anong brand yan? Hindi ko basa yung brand, pero yun nga, na 100mm of travel ang kanyang fork na air suspension. QR pa pala. So next would be the cockpit. For its cockpit, it has a Shimano hydraulic MT200 na brakes and Pinewood cockpit set. Cockpit Pinewood cockpit set. Cockpit. Ayan. And then Neko headset ata. So nakita nyo, puro Pinewood dyan. Yung saddle is Pinewood din pala. So meron na rin palang saddle na Pinewood. And for the drivetrain, may Pinewood na rin pala na crank na hollow type and the Shimano Alivio RD. Okay. Kanyang, which is a 9-speed na RD. And for the tires and rims, it has a Chaoyang. Hindi ito Chinese, Chaoyang and Pinewood na alloy ang kanyang rims and 29 by 2.2. So yun, pinakita ko yung tire clearance kanina ng frame. Yun yung 2.2 na nakalagay sa kanyang frame na tire. For its rotors and calipers, yun nga, the Shimano MT200 na calipers at rotors na 160mm. And lastly, sa kanyang hub, Joytech front and rear hubs. Again, we'll have the another retake of the ride for more appreciation of it. So again, nanggaling tayo sa BIkeman for this bike, and they also have their Shopee. I will post their Shopee link and their Instagram account. They are open 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So yung kanilang address is Banawe de la Rosa, Purok 6F Street, Balibago Road, Santa Rosa, in front of Nissin Monde. Okay? So, yun lang, At syempre, tsaga-tsaga lang. Sa mga nagtsaga, syempre, mas masarap ang sinigang. Ewan ko sa'yo, ba't gusto nyo ng nilaga, Pero, syempre, para sa akin, mas malasa ang sinigang. Okay? Again, this will be all for now, mga kasipa, and I hope to see you on the next video.